So now that your bottom plate's installed, all of your electrical's hooked up, we went ahead and tested, everything's good to go. We're gonna go ahead and install our plate into the box. So again, making sure that we've twisted this plate. This plate needs to go behind the box. This plate is tapped to 832, not the box. And move it over. Just gonna go ahead and put the top one in. It is tight in here, don't worry about that. Just make sure that you're not putting too much pressure on the thermocouple wire. And what I mean by that is don't kink it. You're gonna have to manipulate it into place, but don't worry, it will not hurt the control at all. Now, before you tighten it, you're gonna wanna make sure it's straight in the box. You don't want it all crooked. Make sure it's straight in the box. Hold it with a finger if you need to. That's what I do. Go till where it's tight, don't over tighten. Okay, now your control is in place.